Hi friends, it's Anna here and welcome to my channel. Today we're on vacation. We're on the Oasis. We're going on a cruise and I wanted to take you along with me behind the scenes and show you some of the outfits that I sewed up for my cruise. And today I'm wearing a hack of a romper, which is the lay line top with the South Shore romper bottoms. It's in a woven fabric. It's super comfortable and fun to wear. So it's super exciting. Let me show you around the ship.
All right, this was one of my favorite parts of the ship. This is called Central Park, and we actually had a balcony that looked down onto this area of the boat. It's got lots of plants and some like jazz music. It's got a little library, a couple chessboards. It was one of the places that we hung out the most because we were, old people, but we loved this part of the ship so much.
All right, friends, today I'm wearing the tropical twist swimsuit by Elliot Mac. It's super cute for a day out on the ocean. I love it so much.
All right, so here is a view from the top of the ship. This is kind of when we first got there before we left. This is like an area where you can suntan and hang out. Down at the bottom, you can see like kind of some of the pool stuff and the kids hang out and everything like that. You can rent these cabanas. And then there's some other areas that are more quiet, more for adult areas like the solarium. We didn't really go in there too much because we have our son and he is not an adult yet, but it's where you can hang out if you want to be quiet and away from children.
All right, friends, today I'm wearing a Gather Round by Pattern for Pirates. I love how much twirl it has. Oh, and it's made with double brush poly. I almost fell down.
So of course, one of my favorite things about the cruise is the eating, and there is lots of it. Lots of free eating. This is the buffet area. There's always hand washing stations everywhere, which I love because I'm a little bit of a germaphobe. And there's all kinds of food here. You can come here at any time. They also had a Mexican buffet, which had like things for nachos and stuff like that. And then you had like a full bar of like sour cream and all that stuff that you love to put on your food. It was so good. There's also a free hot dog place and a couple other places that we went at, and obviously the dining area, the main dining room, which I don't think I took a video of. And then here is the courts where my son hung out most of the time. So one of the ports we got to enjoy, we weren't meant to go to this port, but we went because we were rerouted because of the hurricane over in Jamaica. And this is Cabo Rojo. It is in Dominican Republic. This port had so many bad reviews. We really thought we were going to hate it, but we ended up loving this port. So I'm going to do a more detailed video on this port showing you a lot of things about it because I don't know why it has such bad reviews, but it was awesome. We loved it.
Hi friends, it's Anna here today, and today we are in Dominican Republic, beautiful Dominican Republic, and I'm wearing a hacked dress. This is a hacked Zara top by Elliot Mac. This is so cute. I do have a video of it on my YouTube channel if you want to check it out.
I mean, here's a sneak peek of a beautiful beach we found. It was completely free. We literally walked 5 minutes down the road. It was full of shells and natural life. Just gorgeous.
Hi friends, today I'm wearing a Zara top with crop Zara top with the wide leg cargos from Pirates of Pirates.
So here's the main floor. This is the Royal Promenade. There's a lot of shops, a lot of stuff happening here. They do a lot of the gatherings here and stuff. They also have the pizza place, Sorrento's, where you can get free pizza at pretty much any time, and we surely enjoyed that. It was so good. I did not take videos of like the theater area and stuff like that, but there was also a theater. There was so much going on here, y'all. I could spend hours just showing you the ship.
2, 1.
Today I'm wearing a free Asheville dress by Nude Patterns. I think it's super cute. This one was made with some sheets I got from Hobby Lobby. A tutorial for this pattern is here on my channel, so check it out.
I had to leave that little behind the scenes there because my son was so gracious this trip. He took videos of me the whole time. He doesn't sound very enthused, but he did such a good job, and I just I just enjoyed it. But anyway, today we went to the Bahamas. We got to go to a little island and take a little trip there. It was gorgeous. I mean, just look at that water. This is a paid excursion, so we did have to pay for this, but they gave us food and there was like paddle boards and things to do on the actual island. It was beautiful. There was also snorkeling and stuff like that. I mean, it was just a beautiful day. I could be there every day. And then we also after we got done with the island, we got to walk around the port in Bahamas. There's a lot of little shops, little places to get like some food and drinks and stuff. I had a pina colada, a virgin pina colada. I do not drink, but it was delicious. It was actually a little sweet for me, but anyway, yeah, it was so much fun. Tonight I'm wearing a Calling cardigan by Made for Mermaids. It is one of my favorites. It's super cute. There was so much to do on this cruise. Some big slides, zip lining, which my husband and my son did, not I. Here's a look down to the Central Park. It was so beautiful. This is at nighttime. Everything's all lit up. Everybody's just having a fun time. It was great. We had an awesome time. I think I said that like 10 times already. They also had the boardwalk, which is a place more for like, there was a lot of like little games, like a carousel. There was actually a sports bar, which played like all the games, because my husband and my son were really interested in watching some football, because it was Thanksgiving week. And there was the hot dog place, the free hot dog place here as well. And so like it was just a fun place to hang out. There was also a water show in the back, which was amazing. They had some great shows, but I think that was my favorite. I'm going to show you a little bit of it. I'm not even going to do it justice on the phone, but it was so good.
You have me, and baby, I'll you, sweetie,
Once again, this was the Central Park, one of our favorite places. Lots of cute restaurants, lots of jazz music. It was just a great place for us old people to hang out. And of course, the scariest part of the cruise ship, being out in the ocean in the middle of the night, is so dark and scary. We made sure to stay away from the edge and always hang on to our son, even though he's 14. I wanted eyes on him at all times. That clip cracked me up because there was people walking around and I was trying to do this as casually and quickly as possible to record myself. It's always such an embarrassing thing. I don't know why. Anyway, another one of my favorite things was that they lit up the Christmas tree on the last day, and that was so beautiful.
All right, so let me ask you, are you ready? Do you have those cameras ready? And now let's count it down from 10 in 10, 9, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy holidays, everybody!
Alright friends, it's time to say goodbye to this cruise. I hope you enjoyed this little behind the scenes and all the outfits that I wore today. I'm just wearing a top that I got at the Bahamas last time we came cruising. Anyway, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. And I'll see you all next time.